With the focus on creating problem-based lessons and authentic real-world units, Rubistar is a fantastic website to use to create easy rubrics for grading. The website address is rubistar.4teachers.org. You can create an account if you would like to. You can register and it will save your rubrics. Or if you just want to play around, you can come down here to the bottom to create a rubric. You can choose any of these. So for example, I will choose writing. And it will give you some writing samples here. Now, if you don't like one of these, you can use any of these other ones. So let's say that I'm going to do a persuasive essay rubric, and I can name it up here at the top. So perhaps we're persuading, the persuasive essay title is Miss Polling, and I could say, yes, my rubric is temporary, or no, it is permanent. Now comes the magic, the easy part where you can create your rubrics. Over here where it says category, you can choose the pieces of that you want to be responsible for grading. So for example, you can say, I want to show evidence and examples. And it shows you 4 is above standards, 3 meet standards, 2 approaching standards, 1 below standards, and it gives you a place to write the score. So let's say we'll do a position statement, thesis statement. I can also do grammar and spelling, capitalization and punctuation, and maybe sources. They cited their sources. So now you also have the ability to go in here and edit any of these boxes that you would select. So say for example, I don't like the wording of author makes a few errors. I'm going to give it an actual number. So I'm going to say author makes 3 to 5 errors. Or I say author makes 6 or more errors. Now once you've made your rubric and you're totally happy with it, you can come down all the way down to the bottom. You can see you have lots of places you can add, and then you can choose submit. When you click submit, it will show you a preview of what your rubric looks like. Now if you don't like this and you want to make changes, you can go back and choose modify, or you can come down here to print or download your rubric. I highly recommend that you do choose to download it rather than only print it, because then you only have a paper copy. Whereas if you download it, you can save it as an Excel spreadsheet and you'll have it to modify for future years. And that is how you use Rubistar. So let me show you really quickly how to download it as an Excel spreadsheet works. So you can see what it looks like. You can see my browser is downloading it here. And it's all finished. So here is my completed rubric. And I'll say yes to that, and there it is. And this is where the kids can put their name, and if I want to add something like a date or a section, I can do that. And then here's a place for them to put the score, and you can then make further modifications if necessary. So that is Rubistar.